Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Maroon color, violet color, teal color, dark blue color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, green color, red color, black color. Let's try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for chocolate. D for door. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kiwi. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nose. O for oil. P for princess. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for school. T for teacher. U for universe. V for vulture. W for watch. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zipper. Let's try to count some numbers. 1 O N E. 2 T W O. 3 T H R W. 4 F O U R. 5 F I V E. 6 S I X. 7 S E V E N. 8 E I G H T. 9 N I N E. 10 T E N. 10. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.